Hey guys, welcome to Tech tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to create a Wix website free and easy. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Wix is a free and easy to use website builder that has gained a lot of popularity among beginners for a couple of key reasons. Firstly, Wix offers a free plan that allows users to create and publish website without any initial cost. This is especially attractive for beginners who might not want to invest money upfront while they're still experimenting and learning about website creation. The free plan provides essential features and also templates that can help beginners to get started easily. Second, Wix user's friendly interface is designed with beginners in mind. You don't need to have any coding or technical skills to use Wix. It offers a drag and drop editor, which means you can simply select elements like text, images, and videos and place them on your website just by dragging and dropping. So, this eliminates the need to learn complex coding languages, making it very accessible to people who are new to website design. And also, Wix provides a wide range of professionally designed templates that beginners can choose from. These templates are pre designed layouts that cover various industries and styles, making it easy for beginners to pick a template that suits their needs and customize it according to their preferences. This takes a lot of design guesswork out of the equation, allowing beginners to focus on adding their own content. Another reason why beginners tend to choose Wix is its app market. This feature allows users to add extra functionalities to their websites, such as contact forms, galleries, social media integrations, and more by simply installing apps. This makes it easy to enhance your website features without having to build everything from scratch. In summary, Wix is a popular choice among beginners because it's free, user friendly, and offers a variety of professionally designed templates and customizable features. Its drag and drop editor and app market makes it easy for beginners to create functional and visually appealing websites without needing to have any coding or design experience. Now let's go to the step by step guide on how to use this. Starting off and signing up. So signing up on Wix is a straightforward process that can be done in a few simple steps. So you'll just need to put in your email, type your email again, add in your password and type your password again and click on sign up. But you have the option as well to continue with Google or you could continue with Facebook so that your account would be automatically made. But if you have an account already, just click onto this upper part in here and click on login. So just follow the prompts, and since I have an account already, I just logged in here, and then right after, you'll see the dashboard. So as you can see on my dashboard, I have two sites already in here, namely travel blog and website name. But for this video, we're not going to delve onto those websites. Let's start to create a new one. So here on the upper part, we have the option to create a new folder or create a new site. So for us to begin, we'll create a new site. So right after you click it, here's what you'll see. So Wix in here will help you build the website. So for them to be able to do that, they will ask you what kind of website are you creating. So you can search in here the type of website that you're creating. And as you can see in here, there are also suggested lists such as online store, portfolio, blog, and also technology company. But we'll try to click on online store. And as you can see on the screen right after you click onto it, Wix also provided another set of categories for online store. So you'll need to be specific to this. Let's click onto that and you'll just need to click on next. And as you can see in here, Wix will prepare your dashboard and they will align it onto the answers that you've entered earlier. So this dashboard that they will create is like your website's control center. So it's easy to use. You can edit your site, add stuff, and see important infos. No tech skills needed. Just drag and drop to make changes. And if you want to do more like upgrade your site and features, you can do it from there too. So Wix makes managing your site super easy. So after waiting, here's what you'll see. So this is more like the main thing that you'll need to do to get your store up and running, starting with your store name. So you'll need to type in here what is the name on your store, and then right after, just click on to next. Now another part on to helping them to set your dashboard up is they'll ask you if you already have an online store. You'll just need to answer that and what would you like to sell? So let's click onto physical products and here. So you'll just need to tick the checkbox that applies so that Wix will be sure on what you're trying to set up. Now click onto next. Then right after it will ask you where would you like to sell. So since we're making a website, let's click on online store and then click on next. Now Wix has already set up your dashboard. Just click on continue to dashboard. Now here's what the dashboard would look like right after your answers. So as you can see in here, Wix is really helpful since they provided you a guide onto what are the things needed to be done to complete your website. So you could just go over through this step so that you can make sure that you will not leave anything behind. Now, right after, let's go ahead and design your website. So just click onto the upper part of the screen, and then right after, you'll see the screen in here. How would you like to design your website? So as you can see, there are two options. So you can let Wix create a site for you or customize a design template. Personally, I would choose to customize a design template since it is easier than creating a new website design from the very start. So it's easier because templates already have a basic setup like a puzzle with some pieces already in place. So you don't need to worry about how much the main parts fits together, like the top part with the title and the bottom part with contact details. Templates already have this part set up. So this way you will save time and effort, especially if you're not a professional designer. So for this video, let's choose this one. So you don't have to worry even though that it is already pre-designed since you'll still have the option to edit this site. So right after you click that template, just click on edit this site. Wix has some really handy tools that can make editing template a breeze. Think of these tools like the special gadgets in a toolbox that help you fix things around the house. When you're editing a template in Wix, these tools can be super helpful. One tool lets you move things around with a simple drag and drop, just like arranging furniture. Another tool is for writing and editing text. It's like digital pen for your words. There's also a tool for changing the colors and styles of your template. It's like a magic wand for design, making your template look like the way you want. And don't forget the app tool. It's like adding cool effects to your template without any hard work. Think of it as getting new gadgets for your website. So these week's tools are like your toolbox for template editing. They will help you make your template unique and functional, no tech skills needed. So feel free to change how your website looks and check out each tool closely to make the most of them and create a really nice site, just like rearranging furniture. So with this Wix tools, you have a toolbox that makes editing your template easy. This way your site can look fantastic and work really well, even if you're not a pro at this stuff. So right after you can click on preview to see how your site will appear to others. It's a bit like looking at yourself in a mirror to make sure everything's in place. So if you like what you see in the preview and you're ready to keep your changes, you can then click on save. Saving is like capturing a photo, so you can always remember how your website looked at the moment. So right after saving, just click on publish to have your website on the go. And there you have it. Congratulations, your site is published and already online. So you'd be able to visit your site right after publishing it. So you can do a trial run so that you'd be able to unveil your masterpiece to the world. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced designer, Wix intuitive tools and functionalities make the process of crafting a beautiful and functional website an enjoyable journey. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and until then, happy website creation.